Hi, this is Sandra Brazelton, and I wanted to give you an update on our credit improvement service. For the past 20 years or so that I've been in business, I've seen credit as the #1 barrier to home ownership. Your credit score is your financial shadow. It follows you everywhere you go, and it affects every aspect of your life. This generation is being slammed because of credit, and we have to fight back. Typically, your credit score ranges from 350 to 850, and right now most lenders want you to have about a 640 middle credit score. Your credit affects your ability to be a good steward as God requires, your ability to buy or lease a home, to refinance, to obtain employment. I have had a lot of customers who can't get jobs or get fired because of information on their credit report. Whether it's wrong or right, it is assumed to be correct unless you dispute it. When they go to buy or lease a car, they're going to pay a higher interest rate with furniture, life insurance, health insurance, homeowners insurance. A lot of our clients become uninsurable and can't even buy a home because of credit. The ability to open a bank account forces them to go to other finance companies and high interest rate carriers, and that just really sucks our wealth. Your ability to start or finance a business, especially in these times, you need to have at least 3 streams of income. So most creditors, bankers, everybody's going to look at your credit score to determine if you are worthy to be able to operate a business. It has nothing to do with you having the talent or skills. It all goes back to your 3-digit credit score. Your credit affects your relationship with your family, your self-esteem, your health. All of this is tied to your 3-digit credit score. Wouldn't it be wonderful if you were able to be on the good side of credit and use it as an asset and not as a liability? That is what our service does. We assist in dealing with collection companies or other creditors and predators. We help you restructure your debt through reductions in interest rate, workout plans, settlements. We assist in budgeting and goal setting. We motivate, empower, and inspire you. Our credit improvement service is spiritually based because we believe that all success comes from the inside out, and you have the mind of God in you that set wealth in order at creation. Everything you need for success is already in you. We have clients whose credit scores have increased 100 points over 30 to 45 days if they follow our program. Your credit score can change daily as information is reported and not reported and paid and not paid. We will definitely sit and consult with you on a case-by-case basis, line-by-line item, and make sure that we get the information correct and dispute information that is inaccurate or obsolete. There are 3 credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. We have information to help you assess all of these 3 bureaus so that you can get the information and get it updated properly. You can also order a free report at www.annualcreditreport.com, but that report is usually not scored unless you pay for it. The biggest thing with credit reporting agencies in the credit system is that they do not want you to have good credit in a lot of cases. The lower your credit score, the higher the down payment, and you can pay more interest and they can pay their stockholders. Most consumers are drowning in credit card debt or just regular debt. About 8 out of 10 of my clients who come to purchase a home need some type of help with credit. So please do not feel like you're alone. You don't want to have to keep paying higher payments for everything. We can help you through the maze of better credit. We know how to write the letters, talk to the right persons. We always pray, we budget. We work very closely because the universe is perfectly ordered, and you are the CEO and CFO and COO of your own corporation by divine right. So you have to take action immediately to fight back for your credit. We know how to fight the companies, but it requires prayer, knowledge, integrity, and work. It did not get on there overnight. It is not going to come off overnight. We have a 10-step plan to help eliminate credit card debt. We were very blessed to be interviewed by a local company, and that we have some credit recovery, that now you have to be 21 years old, and they cannot just universally apply late charges to different parts. For example, it used to be if you were late on your credit card, they could change your car interest rate, those kinds of things. That has stopped. We have a 12-step plan to improve your credit in 45 days or less. And typically, we don't pay collection companies. You need to really talk to us before you pay those collection companies because you may be paying for debt that you truly do not owe. We can help you save thousands, but we cannot guarantee anything because we don't control the model, and you have to come to the universe with clean hands. Rebuilding your credit is a task well worth pursuing because good credit is as good as cash. It can literally save you millions of dollars. Everybody I know will go through $1 million in their lifetime. So why not be on the good part of it and allow credit to help you make money instead of spending money? Our service fees vary depending on how much work and how many counseling sessions that are required. Some clients have never had a credit review, and we have a lot of credit history to go through together. They may be entangled in bankruptcies, divorce, identity theft, or fraud. And some are just getting started and only need a few recommendations for rebuilding credit or offering settlements. So once we complete our initial consultation, we'll be happy to give you a firm price and help you get on the road to credit recovery. I know that we're blessed with abundance. We've had 19-year-old home buyers. We've had single parents with 3 children and 3 jobs, and all of them win, and all of them have to do work on their credit, and so did I. We've been behind on our mortgage, and we had to recover, and, we've learned a lot of these lessons just through being able to be married for over 30 years and raise children and pray and meditate and exercise that discipline. So truly this program is going to help inspire and motivate you and give you good habits that you can pass on to other generations. There's a direct link between credit, divorce, self-esteem, impotency, depression, and other illnesses. And rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy, foreclosure, divorce, loss of income, health problems, or other unexpected problems, it takes time and effort, but it's well worth pursuing. Please understand that God set wealth in order at creation. It is as abundant as the trees, the stars, the sands, and everything that you need for success is already in you. God holds the whole world in his hands. This includes your spirituality, your health, your wealth, your income, the stock market, and your credit history. You have the mind of God in you, and it's your God-given right to be great. He does not want you to be in debt because it is a form of enslavement. Psalms 37:21 said, "The wicked borroweth and payeth not again, but the righteous showeth mercy and giveth." Proverbs 22:7 says, "The rich ruleth over the poor, and the borrower is servant to the lender." Once we send you our free pre-consultation package, you'll get more inspiration, motivation, and some really good tools, such as a budget, goal-setting sheets, and other tools that's going to help you maintain this financial discipline for the rest of your life so you can live the healthy, wealthy, prosperous life that God intended and died for all his children. We believe that the key to successful credit comes from the inside out. We're not going to slap you on the hand, try to repair stuff, and not teach you life skills that will help empower you so that you don't prevent them, so that you don't do them again. You must pray, put God first, forgive yourself, forgive others, come to the universe with clean hands, smile, have an attitude of gratitude, understand that God loves you and he wants you to have the abundant life. We will help you budget, save, and increase your financial intelligence. And most of all, we look forward to your success. We just want to provide education, motivation, and support for you to live a more spiritual, healthy, prosperous, and productive life as God intends. We look forward to working with you, and best of blessings as you consider the Brazelton Spiritual Guide to Better Credit. We can be reached through our website at www.right-choice.com. Our phone number is 256-837-2229.